Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a showdown between two heavyweight e-commerce platforms, Ecwid and PrestaShop. If you're looking to start or upgrade your online store in 2024, you're in the right place. Stick around as we compare these platforms head-to-head to help you decide which one suits your business needs best. Let's kick things off with Ecwid. Ecwid is a popular e-commerce platform known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with existing websites, making it a favorite among small businesses and entrepreneurs looking to add an online store to their site without the hassle of migrating or redesigning. One of Ecwid's standout features is its flexibility. It offers various pricing plans to accommodate businesses of all sizes, from free plans to startups to enterprise-level operations. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or services, Ecwid provides a range of customizable options to suit your needs. With Ecwid, you can easily manage your inventory, process payments, and track orders all from one intuitive dashboard. It also offers a wide range of integrations with popular payment gateways, shipping carriers, and marketing tools, allowing you to streamline your operations and grow your business efficiently. Now, let's shift our focus to PrestaShop. PrestaShop, on the other hand, is a robust open-source e-commerce platform that offers extensive customization and scalability options. It's ideal for businesses looking for complete control over their online store's design and functionality. One of PrestaShop's key strengths lies in its vast library of themes and modules. Whether you're looking for a sleek and modern storefront or advanced features like multi-store management and product personalization, PrestaShop's marketplace offers a wide range of options to help you create a unique and tailored shopping experience for your customers. Additionally, PrestaShop's open-source nature means you have full access to the platform's source code, allowing for unlimited customization and integration possibilities. This makes it a popular choice among developers and larger businesses with specific technical requirements. In terms of scalability, PrestaShop offers powerful tools for managing large product catalogs and handling high traffic volumes. Its robust architecture and extensive feature set make it a reliable choice for businesses looking to expand and grow their online presence over time. And there you have it, folks. A quick overview of Ecwid and PrestaShop, two leading e-commerce platforms in 2024. Whether you prioritize simplicity and ease of use with Ecwid or crave the customization and scalability offered by PrestaShop, both platforms have something unique to offer. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Ecwid and PrestaShop for free.